Right now I'm going to show you how to set up your different spray patterns with an HVLP sprayer, high velocity, low pressure. So right here you have the air cap. You can see the two knobs here. When they are vertical, up and down like this, your spray pattern will be horizontal like this. Now you can loosen the cap here, the nut, then you can twist and rotate the air cap, tighten the nut. Now when these two knobs here are horizontal, your spray pattern will be vertical like this. And then you can actually offset it. So if it's at an angle here, it's going to shoot a circular pattern. And those are the three different spray patterns that you can use. In my experience, this works on most HVLP paint sprayers. If you want a complete tutorial on how to use this HVLP paint sprayer, I will link to that video. You can check that one out next.